mga regular attendees, sa ating first-timers po dito po sa Zoom and yung mga nasa FB Live din po. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. And ito po ang aking topic for today. How to avoid common post-workout mistakes. But bago po yan, gusto ko din pong i-share ang aking amazing transformation journey po with Herbalife. So, ito po, marami na po akong before pictures dahil ginamit ko po yung products for weight loss, sa aking sports nutrition as a Dragon Boat athlete, and sa aking two healthy pregnancies as my um, nutrition partner and prenatal supplements, of course, with the approval of my OB. And postpartum, ginamit ko din po. And up until now, I am still breastfeeding for 3 years and 7 months. 8 months, ayan, to be exact. And hindi ko po hininto yung tablets and powders. In short, lahat po ng products. So, um, ang total weight loss ko po is 60 pounds because of these amazing Herbalife products. And to name my favorite products po ay NRG, Extra Cal, Herbalife Line, Nightworks, Mineral Herbal Complex, Active Fiber Complex, personalized protein powder, Formula 2 vitamins and minerals, and of course, Rebuild Strength. And I am very grateful po na na-meet ko po yung Herbalife dahil hindi lang po yung nutrition and yung weight loss, bonus na lang po talaga yon. But what I really love about is yung community po na nag-gain ko na they are giving positive impact and of course yung laging good vibes, 'di ba? Ayan. And because of that, talagang na hindi lang knowledge about nutrition, fitness, but of course yung overall aspects ng buhay mo na mas naging mas mabait ka, ganyan. And of course, because of these results, I become more happier, healthier, and stronger. So I'm really excited to age healthily and gracefully with Herbalife. And of course, to live the best life with Herbalife. Ayan. So let's start po sa ating topic. This is very helpful po. So question ko po sa inyo, kayo po ba ay workout na or magwo-workout today? Yan. So you can type po yes. I am doing my workout today. Just type po yes. Ayan. So ngayon po pag-uusapan natin yung 6 common post-workout mistakes. Ito po yung mga um, nakakaligtaan, nakakalimutan after po natin mag-workout na dapat nating gawin. Kasi po mostly busy yung schedule or overwhelmed sa workout or talagang nakalimutan lang talaga. Ayan. So kapag nakakalimutan po natin tong mga bagay na ito, it can slow down po yung progress natin sa ating fitness. Ayan. So number one mistake po is nagsiskip tayo ng cool down. So every after workout, very important po yung cool down. A good cool down, a proper cool down, very important po yan sa workout. Of course, if you do the warm up, you need to do the cool down. So dyan po nakaka-develop para po hindi lang mag-recover but yung flexibility din po natin ay makakatulong po para sa ating katawan. Kahit anong workout pa po yan, warm up and cool down is very important. Ayan. So number 2 po, heating instead of ice. So of course, marami po ay after mag-workout, masarap sa pakiramdam nila yung pumupunta sila sa mga sauna, yung mga steam, ganyan. But doing that po, it can affect po yung thermic stress sa ating katawan na hindi po maganda yon. So, ang pinaka-recommended po is yung yan, mag cold shower or yung maglagay ka ng ice, even sa face, sa body, ganyan. So yun po yung nakaka-help para po sa cooling down process. Ayan. So that's the number two mistake. So number three po is stopping abruptly. So tayo po kapag nag-exercise po tayo, ayan, yung blood pressure po nagra-rise po yan para po mahabol niya po yung increased demand din ng katawan natin kasi nasa peak po ng um, pag-exercise yung katawan natin. So pag nag-stop po tayo bigla, ang mangyayari po is yung blood flow po is magsa-stop, hindi naman po magsa-stop, unti-unti din po siyang babagal or magdi-diminish. So kailangan po gradual lang po talaga yung um, pag-stop natin. So una po, ire-reduce mo po muna yung intensity and then you stop. So yun po yung best way to do if you want to stop. So hindi po siya agad-agad na stop. So we need it to do gradually. So for example po, kapag tayo po ay tumatakbo, nagja-jogging, so ire-reduce po natin gradually yung speed. Ayan. And over a 10-minute period until nasa relax mode ka na and then you walk. So ganun po yung um, paggawa when you want to stop during your exercise. Hindi po yung bigla-bigla. 'Di ba kapag example din po kapag po tayo ay nagsisprint, so bigla kang tatakbo ng mabilis and then sa dulo you will stop. So ang maganda pong gawin after you reach the end line po, you walk po. Hindi po talaga agad stop. Literal na stop. So ang keyword po dyan is gradually reduce your exercise intensity. Ayan. So next po is not taking care of your skin. So marami po ang nag-exercise, nagpupunta sa gym, um, nakakalimutan po nilang gawin to, ang maghugas ng kamay at ng mukha. Ayan, so yung iba sasabihin, malapit lang naman ako, uuwi na lang ako sa bahay, doon na ako magsha-shower. But yung short time po na yon is pwede din pong makakuha tayo ng germs din sa labas or makaspread, makakuha. 'Di ba? So doon po nagkakaroon ng mga unnecessary breakouts sa ating face, 'di ba? So napaka-importante po na alagaan din po natin yung ating skin. Of course, before leaving the gym or yun nga po, pagkatapos po ng ating workout. Ayan. And ano ba ang best hand and body wash na aking maire-recommend sa inyo? Of course, the Herbal Aloe line ng Herbalife products. Of course, ang ating hand and body wash, this is very smooth sa skin and talagang no added paraben siya. No sulfates, no colors, no dyes. Ayan. So, meron siyang aloe vera, olive oil, derivatives, apple-derived amino acids. So, kung hindi mo pa ito natatry, itry mo na. Talagang napaka-soft sa skin and napakabango. Ayan. So, and it also helps yung skin hydration talaga. Ayan. And of course, ito pa po ang isa pang ating nakakaligtaan, hindi po tayo nag-hydrate after nating mag-workout. So, kapag tayo po ay nag-exercise, especially po kapag mainit ang panahon, yung katawan po natin ay of course nagsusweat po yan a lot. Talagang nagsusweat siya a lot para po ma-cool down yung body temperature natin. So, ang kailangan po nating gawin ay mag-sip po tayo ng mga electrolyte balance drink to help po ma-recover and replace yung mga natanggal na fluid sa ating katawan. If we forgot, if we forget or na mag-rehydrate po, ang mangyayari po sa ating katawan, of course, dehydration and fatigue. Kaya, never forget po ang mag-hydrate. Ayan. And, of course, ito din po, nakakalimutan pong kumain kasi po busy ang schedule, kailangan ng gawin ang susunod na dapat gawin. And yung iba, ito lang pwede na, ganon. Ganon ang mga sagot. Ito lang pwede na, okay na ako. Ayan. But, ito po, kapag nakalimutan po nating mag-replenish, kumain, at nourish ang ating katawan, after a workout, it can slow down yung muscle building results na gusto natin para sa ating fitness results. So, ang ang recommended po is we eat protein and carbohydrates para po mag-repair and replenish yung mga energy sa ating katawan. And of course, always protein-rich snack within right after your workout. And ano pa po ba ang pwede kong i-recommend sa inyo as a post-workout meal? Of
Post workout is incredibly important to give your body the right nutrients to help it recover from the stress of exercise. While many people think you simply need protein post workout, the reality is you need a combination of protein plus carbohydrates, ideally within 30 minutes of finishing your workout for optimal recovery. Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength contains 24 grams of protein, a tricore amino acid blend, glutamine, and BCAAs. Put 2 scoops into a shaker cup, add water, and you're ready to go. It's a delicious post-workout shake with under 90 calories. Additionally, exercise can tax your immune system, so the glutamine helps support your immune health so you can push your body every day. No matter what level athlete you are or what type of activity you're doing, you need to fuel yourself properly. Remember, your workout isn't over until you've had your post-workout shake. Start rebuilding with Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength.
All right. So dahil dyan, wag nyo din kalimutan i-add to cart yung Rebuild Strength and ask your coach, ano ba ang nagagawa at paano ba inumin yan, ang Rebuild Strength na napakasarap talagang hindi mo mare-resist na inumin after a workout. So with that po, maraming salamat. I hope may nakuha po kayong mga lessons for today. Have